Self-managing a rental property seems like a way to save money, but the hidden costs add up fast. Many landlords don't realize how much time, effort, and risk goes into managing rentals until they're deep in the process. What looks like a way to cut expenses often leads to lost income, unexpected repairs, legal issues, and tenant headaches. At Alpine Property Management Kansas City, we take on the work, reduce costs, and maximize returns, turning rental ownership into a truly passive investment. The first hidden cost is vacancy loss. Every day a property sits empty is lost rent. Finding tenants quickly requires aggressive marketing, professional photos, and the ability to respond to inquiries fast. Many self-managing landlords don't have the time or resources to market properly. They rely on basic online listings, word of mouth, or yard signs, which leaves their property sitting for weeks or months. At Alpine, we price properties correctly, market across multiple platforms, and handle showings efficiently to minimize vacancy time. A faster lease-up means more rental income over the year. The next hidden cost is bad tenants. A poor screening process leads to late payments, property damage, and eviction expenses. Many self-managing landlords rely on gut instinct or incomplete checks when choosing tenants. Skipping a full background, credit, and rental history check is a costly mistake. At Alpine, we vet every applicant thoroughly, ensuring they have the income, credit history, and rental track record to be a responsible tenant. Fewer evictions, fewer unpaid rents, and less turnover means a more stable investment. Maintenance costs quickly add up for self-managing landlords. Without established vendor relationships, many end up overpaying for repairs. Emergency calls from tenants lead to rushed decisions, high service fees, and unnecessary work. At Alpine, we have a network of vetted, cost-effective contractors who handle repairs promptly and at fair prices. Preventative maintenance and regular inspections help catch issues early, reducing the likelihood of expensive emergency repairs. Keeping the property in good condition also preserves its value over time. Legal compliance is another hidden risk. Rental laws change, and failing to follow them can result in fines or lawsuits. Self-managing landlords often overlook local regulations, security deposit rules, fair housing laws, and proper eviction procedures. A single mistake can lead to thousands in legal fees. At Alpine, we stay up to date on Kansas City's rental laws, ensuring every lease, eviction, and tenant interaction is handled legally and professionally. Protecting landlords from costly legal disputes is a major way we save money over time. Chasing rent payments is another hassle that costs landlords time and money. Some tenants pay late or not at all, forcing landlords to issue notices and, in some cases, start eviction proceedings. Without a structured rent collection system, cash flow becomes unpredictable. At Alpine, we enforce strict rent collection policies. Tenants pay online, making the process easy and reliable. If rent is late, we take immediate action to resolve the issue before it becomes a major problem. Consistent cash flow keeps the property profitable. Turnover costs are another expense landlords don't always consider. Every time a tenant moves out, there are costs for cleaning, repairs, marketing, and screening a new renter. Poor tenant management increases turnover rates, which eats into profits. At Alpine, we keep tenants happy with fast maintenance responses, clear communication, and professional management, reducing turnover and keeping occupancy rates high. Long-term tenants mean lower expenses and higher net income. Self-managing also takes time. Every hour spent dealing with tenants, maintenance, or paperwork is time that could be spent elsewhere, working, expanding your portfolio, or simply enjoying life. Many landlords underestimate how much of their personal time gets consumed by self-management. Hiring Alpine Property Management. Kansas City frees you from the daily grind. We handle every aspect of property management, allowing landlords to reap the financial rewards without dealing with the headaches. For landlords who are ready to move on from a property, we also buy houses. If a rental is causing more trouble than it's worth, if repairs are too costly, or if you simply want to cash out, we provide a fast, fair, and hassle-free sale. No listings, no waiting. Just a direct offer and a quick closing, allowing you to move forward without the stress. Self-managing a rental might seem like a cost-saving strategy, but the hidden expenses tell a different story. Vacancy loss, bad tenants, maintenance costs, legal risks, rent collection issues, high turnover, and time commitment all add up. A professional property management company eliminates these problems, reducing expenses and increasing rental income. At Alpine Property Management Kansas City, we turn rentals into true passive investments, handling every detail so landlords can focus on their financial goals. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more real estate investing and property management insights. Whether you need expert management to reduce costs or want a hassle-free way to sell, Alpine Property Management Kansas City is here to help. Let's make your rental property work for you, not against you.